dare not repeat the extraordinary claims I heard on that podcast. Hello, welcome to the allotment on a gorgeous Sunday morning. It's, what's the time? It's about 20 to 10. It's blue sky, it's really warm. Just carried all this. These are some hoops. Oh shit, they look a bit small now. They looked quite big in the garden shop, but now they look fairly small. Some plants. These are some seedlings that I made. These are mizuna. These are some little tomato seedlings got from the garden centre. Here's my nets and my tools. All set for a morning's work down here on the allotment. Looks like everyone's been fairly busy. Look at my neighbour. Wow. Now that's some serious structural thingies here, isn't it? Look at this. What's he got going on in here? It's amazing. Oh, some people take this very seriously, and that's why they get amazing crops. Look at his peas already. I think these are his daikon. Look, and he's still got. Is this still his? All I've done is bought 15 hoops. Well, semi-hoops, I guess. These are daikon seedlings. So I just need to thin them out. They seem to have done very well. A little bit of nibbling I can see here. I wonder if I should put a net on these. Potatoes coming up. Excellent, it's a good sign. Potatoes on their way. The ground is very dry, as you can see. These little baby curly kales, these are all going to come up, and I'm going to replant with... oh, bugger, I forgot the seeds. Never mind. The beans. Allotmental. Genius idea with the bottles. Thank you very much. How long should I keep them under here, though? They seem to be okay for now. Look at these. They came out really well. I'm going to create 2 tunnels. I think we'll put one tunnel here, and then we'll put another tunnel here, and then we can put in kale, mizuna. Snipping these flowers off. Trying to make some leaves. I don't think it will work though. Yeah, we could eat some of this. Do you think? Maybe. It's the tiny kales that never grew. Actually, let's take these home. I think we could eat these. While we're here, should we have a little look just to see what everyone else is doing? Some people have already been here. I can see some things are watered. So this is what other people are doing. Some leafy crops here. This is, what is this? I recognize this, but I'm not sure what it is. Is it the same as this? This is a green leafy thing in a rather nice green leafy square, don't you think? I was listening to a podcast the other day about the sex life of the cabbage white, and well, I dare not repeat the extraordinary claims I heard on that podcast, but yeah. Look at this. The guy did this last year. It's a kind of raised bed. I can't remember what he grew in there, but it's an impressive piece of plastic bag engineering, don't you think? Impressive. I love coriander. Just cutly fresh on a cutly fresh on a salad. Potatoes coming out. So he's got his potatoes in a lower trough, and then I guess as they come up he's gonna fill them up again. Oh, that's very good. Isn't it? Everyone gets these tiny little plots. They are 15 square meters, and they just do the best they can. Everyone has this limited palette, as it were, but everyone is playing. Everyone paints a different picture. It's like trying to write a song with 3 chords, having 15 square meters. That's what it's like. But even with just such a small space, you get a lot of variety. You get some similar stuff, but you do get a lot of variety with these 3 chords. And how about you, John? What are you creating? It's one of those, at least I hope it is, one of those paper pots that just disintegrate. This is mizuna. Maybe that should go in a bit deeper. Let's try that one. I made these 2 tunnels of nets, but there's only a few small plants in there. I watered the beans under the bottles. I put in 3 tomato seedlings and watered the kale. Made this other little net tunnel, but there's nothing in there at the moment. And that's it. Well, that's it. We're all finished. We did quite a lot of work. On our way home now, we put in 3 tunnels. Look at this. It's the azaleas. After the cherry is the azaleas. So we put in 2 netted tunnels, and I put in some mizuna, and I don't have time actually to put in anything else. I put in a few tomatoes, but it's a lovely day today. It's really warm. Last week lots of people started their new jobs, kids started their new schools. Everything is renewed and growing here in Japan at the moment. This is a very busy time of year. Walking back to the station, saw these little dandelions which are all over the city at the moment, and that reminded me that there is a Japanese dandelion which is endangered and is being forced out by another type of dandelion, and there's a little reserve down in my local park where I like to go for a run. So I thought I'd take the camera and have a look. And this board explains how they're trying to preserve this particular dandelion. This is the Kanto tampopo. Lovely day down the park, sun coming through the maple. It's just a beautiful day. I think this is witch hazel, a kind of a pink version of witch hazel. It was very busy down the park, people playing baseball, enjoying the sunshine. I think these are dogwoods. There's a white one and a red one, and this lovely peach coloured. But from the allotment, that's it. Goodbye.